What's up guys, Smithy130 here, and I am back for another Evie episode, and these take so little time to install, to upload, so I'm happy. And with me is, go!
Girlygirlxx
And,
boylyboy.
yay! So today, we are going to be, pardon?
Today he's going to be biting back, apparently.
What are you talking about?
Fish?
Fish?
Yeah.
Are you eating?
No. Don't be silly.
Don't eat them, Chicken Dipper.
I'm actually eating chicken dippers and my name's Chicken Dipper. What chicken dipper?
Shut up, Chicken Dipper.
Shut up, Kit Kat. Guys, leave a comment saying, hey Kit Kat.
Hasn't Garlic gone?
Yeah. He's gone to get something. He's gone to get an ice cream.
And he's not sharing with me?
No, he's not showing me either.
Oh my gosh!
Okay, yeah, just get on with the Evie.
Oh yeah, so, what should I say to Evie first?
Hey guys. No, hey, just hey.
I'll introduce you. Hey, guys. Oh my god, go away, weather warnings. Hey guys, it's Smithy130.
Are you going to kill me?
What's up, guys? I'm back.
Are you going to kill me?
Yes, I am. How did you come back?
Don't be silly. I don't murder humans.
My mum wanted my diamond sword USB.
Don't be silly. I don't murder cats. Don't be silly. I don't murder computers.
Quickly, the knives.
You guys are all sounding and all scratchy and.
Garlic is.
Oh yeah, Ellie sounded normal now. You were all for a bit.
It's because he's scraping on his mic. That's dirty.
Alright, guys, shut up for a second. What should I say?
Shut up, I'm fine. You're not
What?
wet wipe. I love wet wipe.
What should I say to Evie?
Do you want a wet wipe?
She just said,
You want
"Are
my
you going to
Pokemon?"
kill me?" So I say, "Are you going to kill me? Do you want a wet wipe?"
Do you want a wet wipe, please?
Ties you
Oh my God, guys, I'm high.
up.
I've drunk about 4 cans of this lemonade. Okay, we don't care.
Doesn't
yeah?
make you high.
Just Ellie.
Do you know what high means?
High five.
I tied her up.
High five.
I'm insane.
Okay, what did she say?
I put tied up and she put is tied up. Force feeds you wet wipes.
What?
Well, you said something about wet wipes.
Yeah, I'm bleeding. Do you want a wet wipe?
It's blindfolded and
To clear up the blood afterwards.
I'm beginning to regret recording this with you.
No.
She put is blindfolded and woke up.
What?
Oh great, slaps.
Okay, yeah, just slap her.
Slaps.
Slap her to do something.
Screaming
I'm
in
sorry.
pain.
I slapped you, why would you scream in pain? She get a little slap to the face, you go ah! Dies.
Ah,
Dies.
dye her face.
Died
Blue.
as well.
Why would you die as well? Is dead. See, this is the kind of stuff that we were missing in the first episode, all this wacky stuff. Is dead. I put.
Revives you.
Thank you.
Oh, that's nice. Who would you like on the date?
What? That's actually one of my normal dates. Kill myself, then kill the other person, then get revived. She's like, cheers.
Cheers.
She was like, you're welcome. Has Garlic left? Garlic!
Don't worry, just carry on with our.
Drop the books.
No, stop. Just get on with the video.
Get on with the video, you
What did she
stupid.
say?
She said you're welcome. What should I say now?
What did I like cheese.
No, I don't like cheese. Slaps.
Grommet. Say is my name Grommet.
Slaps.
I'll invite you back.
Still dead!
What did he say?
I put slaps and she put still dead.
Oh, wow. So much.
Revives.
I am revived. Shut up.
Ah, he's back! I mean, what?
I am back. Thank you very much.
Take you,
Thanks for letting me back in, guys. Garlic, you're echoing.
Now,
I
what
will stop being high.
do you say? She's got to say thank you to me. Behind you!
What?
Ducks! Ducks?
That's Jasper in this video.
What is it? Behind you, I put ducks and she put punches.
What? How is that even possible?
Trips over.
Oh god, I'm so thirsty.
Punches, trips over, laughs. Kills.
20.
I know, right? How did you revive yourself? You're dead. Fine. Eat you. I put it before. I put it before.
That's what you're telling Evie to do.
Is eaten.
What's she saying now?
She put. I put eats Evie and I put eats you and she put is eaten. Digests you.
Ben, you're minging.
You're minging. I'm mingling actually.
Ben, that's offensive. Garlics get eaten all the time.
Suggested.
Fight me, garlic. One
How
on
do you
one.
think I feel?
Sorry.
Fight me, garlic. Hearing the word digest.
She's been digested. I'm sorry. She's gone.
Garlic.
Should I poop her?
Yellow. I'm getting the emo French.
Leaves.
Nice. I haven't cut my hair in about a year.
Leaves.
I'm gonna have an emo.
I had my hair cut like 2 days ago. Oh god, something opened. Go away.
What's an emo fringe? You know when they just have that big brushy
Leaves.
fringe thing?
What if you leave?
That was that fringe really long. Yeah. I've cut my hair really long. Ben looks like an emo without trying to look like an emo, so. Ben will always look like an emo. Yeah, I know. Ben, no matter what he's got. Emo buddy. He's got an emo on the back of his head.
Bye. And privacy online status. Do not disturb. I don't want to talk to people anymore. Apart from you, Evie, you're awesome. Hi. I'm sorry. Hi. Now we can get down to
What's your name?
burn.
How old are you?
I don't think that's any of your business, Evie. You wanna fight me? You wanna go? Wanna go?
Why? You're uncoming.
Fight me.
How are you?
Okay, let's go. Punches. We gotta get the ball rolling. They were so unexpected. It was like, I'm getting in queue. Rude.
What is rude?
You. Oh my god, I spelled pinned point. I'm actually having a lot more fun in this episode than I expected myself to have, with the first episode being so weird.
What is your name?
What the fuck? Smithy130, okay? I think I've said my name in previous episodes, but I'm not going to say it in this. You made those adverts, didn't you? Didn't you? Let's do the only... Oh, I think I mentioned in the funny cat video, the Are You a Boy or a Girl adverts. I think we need to do the adult thing in this situation. Okay. Ready? This is what any adult would do. You had it coming. Don't be a rebel, Evie. A rebel? I like rebels. Don't be a rebel, Evie. Don't be a rebel. Anyway. I don't think this is how you spell it, but oh well. Yeah. So I'll probably have to end the episode here, guys. But yeah, there's a lot more things you can do with this. It feeds me. Okay, so there's a lot more things you can do with the simulator. There's really hilarious things. There's really weird things, and so I'm gonna just leave it off here. So I will see you guys on the next Evie episode, or the next episode I do. But for now, oh, I was gonna think of a cool ending line, but I can't bother. So instead I'll say, if you guys aren't already, then please leave a subscribe, because I'd love a new member of the Smithy Squad. It'll be awesome. Because also, I've hit 400 views total, which I'm really pleased with, so I'm glad that 400 times people have, hopefully 400 times people have enjoyed my videos. And at least 350, I'd like to think. So I will see you guys later, when Evie is not feeding me, wink wink. And wait, what would that even mean? I will see you guys later. Bye.